Thank you for introducing me. Thank you for attending to my presentation. I'm Ryojiro Tominaga from FUJI Corporation, Japan, headquarters office. So I'm taking charge as project manager for the additive electronics related machine development. So today, my presentation title is that embedding of the electrical component with stack-up structure by additive manufacturing method. So FUJI Corporation have been developing and researching the additive manufacturing electronics and its machine. And we are believing that additive electronics is that one of the beneficial approach for both rapid prototyping, the POC, and creation of the device which has a new geometry. Therefore, we are studying every day about that direct digital printing process and machine automation technologies and low temperature surface mounting technologies and 3D shape and the circuit layout and the component layout. So today I'm going to focus more about on that embedding process for the component stack up. So I'm going to introduce our machine and the technology with some of that example today. So this is our machine. The name is that FM Trinity. The biggest feature of this machine is three key important technology and integration of them. One is that conductive circuit formation by the inkjetting printing. And second one is UV resin inkjetting printing and 3D object formation. And third one is that low temperature surface mounting technologies. So here I'm going to explain more detail about our process with that movie and the animation. So basically, our machine is consisted from the two kinds of the modules. One is the component pick and placement, and the right side one is the printing. At first, inkjetting for the resin is coming and printing down, and printed resin can be cured by the UV exposure. And after that, inkjetting for the silver nanoparticle done, and printed silver can be dried and sintered by the infrared heater. By the iteration of those processes, this machine can make a build-up circuit, and after that, air dispenser systems we also have to deposit the silver conductive paste and the epoxy glue in order to have a connection with a mounted component and in order to have enough adhesion between board and the component. And after that deposition done, build stage moves to that right side component mounting module, and second placement of the component will be done, and then stage back to that right side module, and by the heat press, we cure the paste with that high pressure to get the stable electrical connection. And those are the overall process flow which we proceeded in our machine. So here is the actual picture of that build plate. Core manufacturing